So today we are going to travel to Sri Lanka, where I went last month and I had like the most amazing prawn curry. एक बहुत ही spicy, tangy, flavorful prawn curry था. which I absolutely fell in love with. And जब मैंने पूछा, उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि this is a Ceylon prawn curry. It is spicy, it is very flavorful, it's absolutely delicious. तो आज हम लोग बनाने वाले हैं श्रीलंकन प्रॉन करी एंड उसके साथ हम लोग बनाने वाले हैं एक कोकोनट सांबार which is a beautiful coconut Sri chutney and pole rotis which are coconut rotis. And I'm really excited to share this recipe with you because it means that I also get to eat it after the shoot. So let's get started. So the first thing we'll get ready is our Sri Lankan curry powder. In this, I'm adding about a tablespoon of rice and we're going to lightly roast this. And while this cooks, I'm adding fenugreek as in methi dana, around a teaspoon of it, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 2 tablespoon coriander seeds, dhania seeds, 3 whole red chilies, 2 pieces of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of cumin jeera. I have cardamom seeds, elaichi dana over here. I have taken around 6 elaichi. Of that I've taken the pods. 10 to 12 cloves, yani ki long. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, black mustard seeds. And 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, yani ki सौंफ. And अब इसको हम सौते करेंगे जब तक ये थोड़ा सा स्पाइसेस पक ना जाए, ब्राउन ना हो जाए. And it's going to be so fragrant and so beautiful. Now there is also a version of this which is actually made without sauteing, मतलब इसको भुना नहीं जाता है, and that is a raw curry powder. That also has a lot of use in the Sri Lankan cuisine, but I like toasting my spices a little more because it has a beautiful fragrance which the heat brings out. इतना अच्छा खुशबू आ रहा है, मैं आपको क्या बताऊँ. It's already smelling absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so this is beautiful, fragrant and it's slightly brown. हल्का सा ब्राउन हो चुका है ये. तो अब हम इसको हीट से रिमूव करके इसको ठंडा होने के लिए रख देंगे बिफोर वी मेक इट इनटू अ ब्यूटीफुल करी पाउडर. चलिए अब हम लोग हमारा जो प्रॉन्स है उसको मैरिनेट कर लेते हैं. Here I have 500 grams of prawn and I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of salt to this and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric haldi. तो फ्रेश प्रॉन्स है एंड पता है फ्रेश प्रॉन्स का एक बहुत अच्छा मिठास रहता है which I absolutely love. I just do not like having not fresh prawns. My prawns are nicely coated, turmeric, haldi and namak ke saath. So now let's rest this for 10 minutes and let's move on to the next step. जो masala hai, now that has cooled down and it's beautifully roasted. And now we are going to grind it. Look at this. It's beautiful powder. Oh, and it smells incredible, guys. Can't wait to use this in my curry. Now let's make the curry. I'm adding around 2 tablespoons of refined oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, and now curry patta, around 2 stems, 1 large onion slice, around 4 to 5 cloves of garlic slice. Wow, this smells beautiful. In this I'm adding lemongrass and 1 inch ginger which has been chopped up. अब इसको हम लोग पकाएंगे जब तक कि the onions are almost translucent, मतलब कि काफ़ी एकदम सी थ्रू टाइप हो जाएगा पर ज़्यादा कलर नहीं चाहिए हमें. Adding in green and red chilies around 3 to 4 and फिर मैं डाल रही हूँ टमाटर, 1 chopped tomato. My masala is quite nicely sauteed. It smells are incredible. And अब मैं इसके अंदर डालने वाली हूँ मेरे prawns. I've deshelled them, I have cleaned them. आप अगर चाहो इसके हेड के साथ भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो. I have removed the heads. 500 grams of prawns. Prawns को सौते करना काफ़ी ज़रूरी है, otherwise it's gonna have that fishy smell. I don't want that. इसको अच्छे से सौते कर लेते हैं on medium flame. I really get very happy cooking food and especially ऐसा खाना जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा है कहीं पे खा के उस रेसिपी को डिकोड करके बनाने में जो मज़ा आता है ना, I can't tell you. It's really a lot of fun. And now let's add in our curry powder that we made. Around 2 tablespoons of it. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. teaspoon of brown sugar or coconut sugar, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, and around about half a teaspoon of salt. Let's mix this all in. We'll saute this for 2 minutes. 2 मिनट के लिए सौते करते हैं इसे, ताकि मसाला भी अच्छे से और भून जाए. वैसे हम लोग ने भुना हुआ मसाला यूज़ किया है. अब इसके अंदर डालते हैं कोकोनट मिल्क. Around 400 ml of coconut milk, around 2 cups. Wow, this looks amazing. Salt to taste. Adding around a teaspoon over here. Here I have red chili powder, around a teaspoon of that. And आप इसको adjust कर सकते हो कि आपके स्पाइस लेवल्स के हिसाब से. एंड इसके अंदर मैं थोड़ा सा करी पाउडर भी डाल रही हूँ, अराउंड हाफ अ टी स्पून. एंड दिस इज टैमरिंड प्यूरे, यानी कि इमली का प्यूरे. इसका अराउंड 2 tablespoons ऑल्सो आई एम एडिंग इन. मिक्स दिस ऑल इन. I feel like I want my curry to be spicier, so I'm adding in a little more chili powder. And now for the weird ingredient, I did not know that they would be adding this. This is drumstick leaves, very fresh green leaves, around half a cup of that. Just adding it in. And that's it. We're just going to let our prawn curry simmer for 5 minutes. 5 मिनट तक इसको simmer करने देंगे, इसको पकने देंगे. Wow. So prawn curry is now ready. Now let's move on to the coconut sambal. So coconut sambal is a chutney that I have had with pol roti and this lovely prawn curry. So I thought I'm going to make a whole meal of it. And one of the most important ingredient, of course, are these beautiful red chilies. इससे वो color भी आएगा and of course वो chili का flavor भी आएगा. And now I'll take my hammam dasta, which is my mortar and pestle. Put my chilies in this. फिर इसके अंदर मैं ऐड कर रही हूँ about a teaspoon of chili flakes. I told you it's a very spicy chutney. Sri Lankan food is very very spicy and very flavorful. I absolutely love it. And अब इसके अंदर मैं ऐड कर रही हूँ about a half teaspoon of salt. And I am now going to go and crush my chili. And अब इसके अंदर ऐड करते हैं 1 small onion chopped. So my chilies and my onion is quite nicely browned. अब इसके अंदर ऐड करते हैं हमारा कोकोनट. यहाँ पे मैंने freshly grated coconut लिया है. So I'm adding in half first, mixing it in. आप इसको desiccated coconut के साथ भी बना सकते हो, but then you need to soak your coconut in hot water or coconut milk ताकि वो refresh हो जाए. चलिए बाकी कोकोनट भी इसके अंदर डाल देते हैं. 1/2 lemon squeeze. आपके पास अगर रेड चिलीज नहीं है, आप इसको ड्राइड रेड चिली से भी बना सकते हो, रेड चिली पाउडर से भी बना सकते हो. It's quite a versatile recipe that way. Wow. Just a little more salt. Wow. थोड़ा सा लेमन भी डाल दें. So I've put in about 1 lemon juice. You can also add tomatoes to this or green chilies for color to this, but I'm keeping it just the way I had it over there. It was simply chilies, coconut with a slight hint of sourness. Absolutely yum. The coconut sambal is also ready, and now let's move on to the pol rotis. Pol roti बनाने के लिए we have desiccated coconut here, सूखा हुआ नारियल. 1 cup of that, 1 कप लेते हैं सूखा नारियल का. यहाँ पे आधा कप कोकोनट मिल्क है मेरे पास, इसको डाल देते हैं. अगर आप चाहो इसको आप फ्रेश ग्रेटेड कोकोनट से भी बना सकते हैं. मेरे पास ये था and I thought one dish we have already done with fresh coconut, so let's do this with a desiccated coconut. इसको हम 5 मिनट के लिए छोड़ देते हैं so that it becomes nice and fluffy again. चलिए, it's been 5 minutes and my desiccated coconut has also been soaked, it's soft. I'm going to add in 1 chopped onion, एकदम finely chopped प्याज है, and 2 green chilies again finely chopped. Now this is optional. Salt to taste. यहाँ पे करीब मैंने 1 teaspoon के आसपास salt यूज़ किया है, and इसको अच्छे से mix कर लेते हैं. And this roti, I don't know, it's so beautiful and fragrant coconut roti. मुझे बहुत tasty लगा था खाने में, so I thought of making it. I hope you also enjoy it जब आप घर पे बनाओ इसे. अब इसके अंदर मैं डाल रही हूँ 2 cups of मैदा, refined flour, एंड धीरे धीरे से पानी डालेंगे टू मेक अ नॉन स्टिकी डो। पहले मैं 1/4 कप डाल रही हूँ, 1/4 कप to 1/2 cup. I'm mixing this through. और पानी डालते हैं। Mix this. Knead this. Let's put it down and knead it into a soft dough. Perfect. मेरा पोल रोटी का डो is also ready. See, it's not sticking to my hand. करीब मैंने 1/2 कप से थोड़ा सा ऊपर पानी यूज किया, but be very careful, don't add too much water. एंड अगर ज़्यादा स्टिकी डो हो जाए उसके अंदर जस्ट आप थोड़ा सा मैदा डाल दो जब तक कि नॉन स्टिकी डो फॉर्म ना हो। इसको ढक के हम लोग रेस्ट करते हैं फॉर 5, 7, 10 मिनट्स ताकि थोड़ा ग्लूटेन फॉर्मेशन हो जाए, एंड देन विल मूव ऑन मेकिंग इट। द डो हैज बीन रेस्टिंग फॉर 5 minutes एंड नाउ वी विल टेक इट एंड वी डिवाइड इट इनटू 10 little rotis. So maybe we'll get around 15 to 18 whole rotis from this amount of dough जो हमने बनाया है। Now we flatten it with our hand like this. And मुझे काफ़ी फ्लैट पसंद है तो मैं इसको थोड़ा फ्लैट बना रही हूँ। You can make it a little thicker as well. Okay, this is ready. चलिए, let's make a few more of these. Let's keep this on the side. If you want, you can also roll it and then cut it with a cutter like this. But I like using my hands. Oops, थोड़ा सा stick हो गया, कोई नहीं. Just even it out with the hands. This one is also ready. Now let's heat our tawa and cook our whole rotis. चलिए, तवा भी गर्म हो चुका है. Now it's time to add our rotis and cook them. एक तवे पे इसको डाल देते हैं। अब इसको पकाएंगे जब तक कि छोटे छोटे ब्राउन स्पॉट्स ना आ जाए ऑन द बैक साइड। लेट्स फ्लिप इट ओवर एंड इसको भी इस साइड पकाएंगे जब तक कि ब्राउन स्पॉट्स ना आ जाए। सो माय प्रॉन करी इज रेडी। Ceylon prawn curry. Wow, just look at how beautiful this is. My pole roti is ready. All of it is ready. Fried curry patta to garnish. And now let's add our pole rotis. And of course, the coconut sambar. This is my Sri Lankan platter. This is my Ceylon prawn curry, coconut sambar with pole rotis. So guys, this is my Sri Lankan prawn curry with coconut sambal and pole rotis. It is absolutely divine combination and I really had so much fun teaching you how to make this, and now I'm going to have more fun eating it. Can't wait. Stir off a little bit of pole roti, dip it in this beautiful prawn gravy. Wow. And now I'm gonna top it up with some coconut sambal. Yum. Wow guys, the depths of flavor are insane. बहुत ही tasty है. It's got a hit of very nice spice to it. मिर्ची है, sorry, मिर्ची है but not over. It's absolutely a divine combination. Coconut का बहुत एक fragrance सा taste आ रहा है because everything has coconut in it. But overpowering भी नहीं लग रहा है. I love it. I cannot wait to dig in more and I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This one, Kitchen Stories by Andrila. And of course, like, share and comment on this video. Click on the bell icon below so you get notified of any new video that comes up. And I will be back again next week with another new recipe. Till then, I'm off to enjoy my Ceylon prawn curry with coconut sambal and pearl rotis. Bye.